Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna be teaching you how to set up Gitbash for Streamlit. Now, in order to run your Streamlit application, you actually need something like a command line interface to launch your Streamlit applications. You for this you can use Gitbash, you can use Anaconda prompt, you can even use your inbuilt command line interface. But for me personally, I prefer using Gitbash. So in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to set up Gitbash so that you can run your Streamlit applications from Gitbash. All right, so let's get started. So in order to do this, we'll be going to the Git source code management website. Um, So just type in git, sorry, git. Okay. So I'll be sharing the link to this website in the description so that you guys can access the website right here. So this is the Git source code management website. So once you get here, just select your operating system. So I'm using Windows. So I'll just click on download for Windows right here. Okay. So for this part, you're going to select your bit. So we can see we have for 32-bit Windows setup, and we also have for 64-bit Windows setup. So for me, I use 64-bit. So I'm going to be clicking 64-bit Git for Windows setup. So I'm going to click here. So it's just going to download. So after downloading this, you just need to install on your system. So it's just like every other normal application that you download and you install. So the procedure is pretty straightforward. So I already have it installed on my system, so I'm not gonna be doing that in this video. So after installation, what you should do is to sorry, so come to the search bar right here and then type git bash. Okay. So I'll just so what you'll be looking for is this git bash. So click on this. So let's just give it some time to come up. Time to come up. Okay. I think I've already clicked on this. Let me just click on it again. All right. So we have our command line interface up. So let me just increase the font. Okay. The first thing you need to do is to install Streamlit. So I'll just say pip install Streamlit, then hit enter. So for me, it's gonna be displaying something like requirements already satisfied. So this is because I've already installed Streamlit on my Gitbash. But if you're just installing it, it's going to be saying something different, something like successful along that lines. All right. So let's test an app. Let's say Streamlit. Hello. Click enter. Okay. So let's just give it. Oh, sorry. Streamlit. Streamlit. Hello. Okay. So let's just give it a little bit of time to just come up right here. Okay. All right. So this is just like the Streamlit welcome page. It tells you a lot more about Streamlit, what you can do with Streamlit, various applications of Streamlit, and so much more. So we're just gonna be exploring the website and check some of the applications of Streamlit. So let's just click on the sidebar here. So we can see that we can animate, we can get an animation demo with Streamlit, as we can see. So let's look at plotting demo. Okay. So this is a line chart. So we can actually plot a line chart with Streamlit. So these are some of the apps that we're going to be building in the course of this tutorial. So we can hit rerun, and you can see it's still running. And you can also see the source code below, so you can just go through it just to see how that line chart was built. We also have the mapping feature. That's the mapping demo. So it shows you, it displays a map and shows you various. Okay, so as we can see, so this is just a feature that shows you probably um, data for bike rental. So it's showing you the places where they have high demands for bikes, that kind of thing. So these are some of the things that we're going to be doing, we're going to be building during the course of these Streamlit tutorials. So in the next video, I'm going to be teaching you the basics of Streamlit, such as buttons, displaying data frames, and so much more. So that's it for me for now. So I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye.